Okay, let's go ahead and go over some definitions or some vocabulary for this unit. The first one we're going to go over is reference point. So if you look on the list, we have zero location in coordinate system or frame of reference, measured separation between 2 points, coordinate system in which the event takes place, change in position, separation between the reference point and the object. Okay, so the reference point would be the 0 point. Okay, displacement. Displacement is the change in position. Position. A position is the separation between the reference point and an object. Frame of reference, that's the coordinate system. And measured separation between 2 points is distance. Notice here going is speed. Notice there's no mention of a direction. Displacement divided by time, that's the definition of velocity. Notice it doesn't say distance divided by time. Distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement is the correct word to use. Velocity, that is the same for all time intervals. That's going to be constant. Velocity. Velocity measured over a finite amount of time, that's instantaneous. And notice it says velocity divided by time. That's a rate of change in velocity. That's your definition of acceleration. Let's check and make sure. There we go. We're all correct. Okay, so there are some basic equations that you need to know. The first is that the average velocity is the change in position divided by time. Okay, notice what I said. Change in position divided by time. A change in position is your displacement. So you could also say this is the displacement divided by time. Okay, here is your equation for speed. Notice the difference. There's no vector sign over the v. So no vector sign means speed. Vector sign means velocity. No vector sign over the d. This is just your distance traveled divided by the time. Your average acceleration is going to be your change in velocity divided by time. Okay, so I hope that this lecture helps you with understanding the vocabulary that goes along with kinematics and also helps you with the basic formulas. In your other videos, you've already had exposure to all of the kinematic equations which use these variables.